We are in a trail we've never been on yet.
And we're looking for antlers.
And we're looking for antlers. You having fun, Ro? Ro, look. Ro! Are you having fun? Okay.
Ro's in a bad mood this morning.
It's just so beautiful how the sun just shines down.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. What?
Taking a video?
Yes. It's only not even a minute. Oh, there's a hole of something. Some kind of hole. Oh, look at that, how pretty. Ooh, ooh. It's God's country, baby. Oh, oh. How these turn out. Oh, okay. It's been 2 minutes. You think that's a long enough video?
What do you think, Rose? Rose is the videographer.
Oh, you know, new path.
Also, thank you for telling the whole universe how we are. No, we're not gonna find it.
What? We didn't tell the whole universe. You just did.
Uncle Kim said in the video that we're looking for antlers.
I'll tell you what we can do. We can put you out and let you walk back to the house. Let the chickens carry your
God,
back to the
it is just so gorgeous. Oh,
house.
so breathtaking, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Gosh. And just so beautiful. Look at that.
I thought you paused the video.
I did. Now I unpaused it so I can take some more. Just so beautiful. Up. Oh, and there's another trail. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yep.
Woohoo!
Yeah, y'all went right through here, I'm sure, yesterday.
Oh, did we? Okay.
That's that water hole.
Oh, when we were walking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, now. Yep.
You go
Yep.
down to the right over there.
Okay. Yep. Holy moly. Just phenomenal. Definitely my element out here. I could spend hours.
We do.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about alone, how many hours, but man, definitely. Down in there. Got a little path, it looks like. There's a path down there.
Well, we were just over there.
Oh, that's where we were just over.
That's across the creek. Remember I said that's where the deer feeder is?
Oh,
We were
yeah.
right over there.
Okay. Now what is that right there? What's that thing?
Deer
Oh, that's a
feeder.
deer feeder. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the hunting.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's mineral. Mineral salt.
salt lick?
Yeah.
Oh, there's our beautiful flowers we found. They cool? Ooh, here we go. Oh, look, there's a creek over there. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, a bunch of them merged.
Oh, and this is what Kim made. This little path.
called
What do you
a-
call this? A bridge?
A low water crossing.
A low water crossing. Can you see down in there? Oh, we got it once we get up a little bit further. Oh, there's the water. Okay. Just built up. Oh, another trail. Oh, look down there. Neat. There's a trail, looks like right there.
I can take you down them with those limbs. They rake
Oh.
across you.
Oh, yeah. Is that for walking, though, right? You
Yeah,
can walk down
you
there?
can walk it.
And then can you walk down that one, too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
mowed them.
Uh-huh.
They're just rough. I need to get a side.
Oh, there's another one. Well, if you have long sleeve and pants, there's another. That's what we should have done.
When the
Did more
wintertime-
walking.
In the wintertime, you can walk down
Oh, okay. Or the spring.
easy. Yeah.
Oh, missed one. You did a whole bunch, it looks like. Whole
Yeah.
bunch of trails.
Yeah.
How fun. That one's a little bit built up. I'm sure it does take a lot of work to keep them walkable or whatever you want to call it.
It does. You have to do it at least once a year.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, I was thinking once a, well, maybe not once a
No.
week, but once a month. Back up. Sawmill and there's garden over to the side of the feeder. That's how he waters the garden. Comes down to the lake, right? You go down to the lake to fill up your water.
Drag it over the shop. fill
Oh.
it with water hose.
Oh, fills it with a water hose. Okay. Oh. Sawmill.
See this buzzsaw, if we have a bad guest, we put him on the buzzsaw.
And that's the tractor you used for your sawmill, right?
No, that's just for that buzzsaw.
Oh.
Firewood with it.
Oh. Okay. Oh, that tree right there's got a neat pattern in it.
Walnut.
Oh, that's walnut. The homestead. And there's a better picture of the garden. There's the sawmill. A little tutorial.
I think Rose is bored.
Oh.
Sleepy.
let me take a picture. Okay. And there's the driveway. This is the back of the shop and girls' place.
Have you seen my charcoal maker?
Charcoal maker? No, I had not. I did not know you had a charcoal maker.
I made my own charcoal here. It's called a retort.
Oh.
Looks like it's steel, don't it?
Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow.
And that's going to be the well house. You'll see that video here before long.
Okay. Cool.
You like that, Rose? Next, we might fix that up and let Rose live in it.
Cool. And then that thing with Amber was at her wedding. She got married under that
No,
thing.
that's
Oh,
over
no?
there
Oh, that's
by the compost.
oh, that's over there by the compost. Okay. Coming
Said
to an
let
end.
you off here, right?
Yep. Coming to an end.
The trip is
Of
coming
our-
to an end.
Our
Cruise
tutorial.
ships docking.
Cruise ship's docking. All right. Thank you, bro. We had fun.